Good morning, students. Hi. All of you had your breakfast today? What did I say first? Good morning, students. Instead of that, can I call you friends? Yes. Good morning, friends. How are you all? Would you like to be my friend? Yes, right? Do you all know me? Who am I? What's my name? Maybe I may be new to the new students. My name is Anuradha and I am your maths teacher. Okay, last week, Sandhya ma'am took the class for you, the previous knowledge of 3rd standard. Yes or no? Yes. Oh, yes. Many of the students I can hear that. Yes. Yes. How was your maths in 3rd standard? Was it easy or too difficult? Hope it is easy, right? Okay. Now, what are the things, just to recollect, what are the things you have studied in 3rd standard? Smallest 4-digit number, biggest 4-digit number. Do you remember that? What is it? Yes, smallest 4-digit number is 1000. Biggest 4-digit number is 9999. Yes, it is. So, in 4th standard, we are just going to see the continuation of that. Got it? Yes. Now from today onwards, we are going to start the chapters. From today onwards, we are going to start the chapters. I think most of them might have bought the textbook. Yes. So all of you know what's the first chapter? It's large numbers. So since you have come the 4th standard, we are going to start with the large numbers. So what is a large number after 4-digit number? It's 5-digit. So I'll just say what are the things you are going to, by finishing this exercises, what are the things you will be learning? I'll just say it. You just hear it carefully. Got it? You told me that you're my friend. Yes. So once a friend says, I think you will be hearing it. Yes. Now, listen to my hand. So what you are going to study is the smallest and biggest 5-digit number. Biggest, smallest and biggest 5-digit number, 6-digit number, write the numerals, expanded and short form, ascending, descending order, Roman numerals, rounding numbers. All these things, by finishing this first chapter, you will be learning all these things. Right? Are you ready? Yes. Now, I am going to write the chapter name, but till I say don't open your notebook, I will say how to write and when to write. Got it, students? Yes. This is the first chapter. And today's date is it 18? Oh, 18, right? Now, what did I say with smallest 4-digit number? All of you, I said once, right? Smallest 4-digit number is 1000. Yes? And what is the biggest 4-digit number? This is the, you have studied before, right? $9,999. And don't forget to put the comma over here. I think my teacher might have taught you. Why you're putting the commas, you know? This is one period. That's ones, tens, 100. It becomes to one period. And the another period is 1000. So don't forget to put the comma over there. Got it? Yes. Now we are going to see I told you about the 5-digit number. Now we are going to see the continuation of it. Just see this. 9,000. Don't forget to put a comma again. 9,999 plus 1. What is it? Yes. 10,000. 10,000. I think most of them might have heard about the 10,000. If I ask you what's the cost of your mobile phone with what is in your hand, it's cost of 10,000. Most of them know it. So this is the smallest 5-digit number. This is the smallest 5-digit number. So what is after 10,000? It's 10,001, 10,002, 10,003. It goes on. And where it ends, yeah? Where it ends, my dear students? 10,004. I cannot write all the numbers. So it goes on and ends with the biggest 5-digit number. Biggest 5-digit number. What's it? 9? No. 99? No. 999? Not at all. Then 9,999? No. This is the small, biggest 4-digit number. So what's it? Yes. It is 99,999. This is the biggest 5-digit number. Got it? Yes? Yes. Don't write everything, you just hear it. Keep in mind, because I'll be asking you the questions. I'll be asking you the questions in the worksheet, so that time you can do it. Now, so let me draw the place value chart. Let me draw the place value. So what's it? What's it? Ones, yes, tens, hundreds, then thousands, and this it is 10,000. All of you know to write 10,000, right? This it is 10,000. Okay. Okay. Now let me rub this. It's clear, right? Smallest 4-digit number is 1,000 and biggest 4-digit number is 9,999. And the smallest 5-digit number is 10,000 and biggest 5-digit number is 99,999. Understood? And I have drawn the place value chart. This is a place value chart. This is ones, this is tens, this is 100, this is 1,000 and this is 10,000. All these things, this place value chart you can, if you took your textbook, you can see all these things. Now can I rub it? So what you have to write, that I'll give you later. Now I'm rubbing it. Got it? Yes, students. Now, say this. It's an example. Okay? It's an example. Write the number name. You might have studied these number names from UKG onwards. Yes. From UKG onwards, you are studying from 1 to 50. Once you come to first standard, you'll be studying to 1 to 100, and it goes on. So last year you might have studied till 9,999. Now you are going to study with a 5-digit number. So can I give you an example, right? So don't write. Please listen. The question. Listen to the question. 23916. How to write the number? So when you start counting from my right. It's my right. So you have to start counting from here. Don't count from here. Don't count from here once. This is once. Got it? So start counting from once. Let me see your finger. See my finger. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, 1,000, 10,000. So you can see this. You understand why there is a gap in between? It's for the comma. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, 1,000, 10,000. How to write this? Over to the next one. The next one, an example, again an example. My dear students, please don't write in your fair notebook, okay? If you don't write in your fair notebook, now listen one more example. How do you write this? I put a comma. Once, start counting along with me. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. How can you write the number names? You will write 98,008 or 98,008. Very simple. 98,008 Understood? So related to all these things, I will give you the worksheet. What you have to do in the notebook. Now, the next one is, so this is an example. This is an example. So I will teach you how to write the number names, and next one will be, I will give you the number names. You have to write the numerals. Got it? Yes. Am I so fast? Oh, no. Am I so fast? Are you able to get me? Are you able to follow me? Hope I am not so fast. Okay, now, writing numerals. Now listen, I'll give you the question. Two questions I have given you. The first one, here you have to write in numerals. Where I have given the number names, for that you have to write the numerals. You know what you mean by numerals? Numerals means numbers. Now, what's this? Read along with me when you're at home. I know that you'll be reading along with me, or some students might have read it. 73,510. 73,510. Is it correct? This is the answer you have said in your mind? Yes, right? Now, the next one. 36,005. 36,005. How to write 36,005? This is correct. I have given here 36,005. Some students, if they write, is it correct? No. So what's missing over here? What is missing? See, here I told you ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousand, 10,000. See, 10,000 and 1,000 is here. This is got it. So what is the next one I told? What is missing here? 100. 100 is not here. And tens. Tens also not there. So what will you do there? When these two numbers, hundreds and tens are not there, what will you do? 0, exactly. You have to write 2, 0. Now can you read this number? Can you see this? I have written it in 2 zeros. Got it? Yes? 36,005. and 5. Understood? Yes. Got it? Students all have this type of notebook. This is your maths notebook. Got it? This is your maths notebook. This is your maths notebook. Okay? I think all my students have covered your notebook, written your name. Yes? Okay. If not, please, as soon as it possible, cover it. Now, this is your first page, index. Don't write anything, okay? If you want, you can write your name here and you can write the date and what you are writing it now, right? And you can write the chapter name. Got it? And next page is this. Can you see this, right? And here, can you see the margin? Do you want me to draw here? Do you want me to draw here? So I'm drawing the margin. Can you see the margin here? See. And one more line. So all these books you might have used last year. So the same thing. Got it? So 2 lines I have drawn. This is a margin and this is for the rough work. Okay. Now you have to start. Take your scale and pencil. Obviously you will be using only your pencil. So the first line. Can you see this first line? The first line you can draw a line at the top. Like this, you can use your pencil and scale, draw a line. Got it? And next, one more line you can see down. You have to write the date here. You have to write the date there. Okay, what is today's date? 18/6/2020. Got it? And here you have to write the chapter, not numbers. And again, one more line, draw down. Got it? So understood? So you will be drawing 2 lines here. And in between you will be writing the chapter name. That's for your neatness. Okay. Are you all ready? Okay. Take your own time and do. Got it? Don't scribble. Now. So you have to write note. Before starting, you have to write note. Got it? The questions what you have to write, I'll be sending you as a worksheet. But this note you have to write in the notebook. But don't forget, my dear students, write neatly. Got it? So the first note. Biggest 4-digit number. Number is 9,999. And don't think that ma'am is writing about over the line, so it can be right. You can cross this. Only once a word problem is there or anything, you can use it as a rough column. So you can cross this. You can write. Now, next is, so this is a continuation of it. Okay, biggest 4-digit number is 9,999. So 9,999 plus 1, which you get 10,000. So this is the smallest 5-digit number. Next, you have to write 10,000, 10,001. It goes on, it reaches to 99,999. Yes? So 99,999 is the biggest 5-digit number. Got it? So take your own time and do it. And one more thing I want to ask you, do all of you know about abacus? All of you last year you might have done in the notebook, writing these numbers, drawing the beads, writing the places. Yes? Yes. And all these place value, face value and everything you might have studied in the last year. Okay, now, so the following worksheet will be write the number names, write in numerals, draw the abacus and draw the abacus will be given, the abacus beads will be given. You have to write the what is the places and all these questions will be followed. And one more thing, still you got the textbook, you will be having the homework from home. So you have to do that homework. If you have bought the textbook, you can do it neatly in the textbook. So all those things will be coming. Got it? Yes? Yes, my dear students, understood? So write these things so neatly and afterwards you have to draw one line here. You have to draw the line. And next, when you start next one, leave one line and then you can start. Understood? You can start when you are writing this, you can start the next one. So that worksheet I will be sending you. Got it, students?